Oh gosh. That's spicy. Hello everyone. Welcome to my kitchen. I am Magda. Today I'm gonna make for you a fresh and uncooked salsa. We call it Pico De Gallo, which literally means beak of rooster. I'll show you the ingredients that we're going to start with. We're going to start with a little bit of cilantro, some green onions, 4 tomatoes, 1 serrano pepper, and we want to use some lime, some juice from this lime. And we want to use salt and pepper. Let's start it. So we are going to start by chopping our tomatoes. What I usually do, I remove the end of the tomato because we are not going to use the part. So, and we will chop it. So some people remove the seeds. I don't. I like with everything. This is how I chop my tomatoes. You know, you can remove the seeds, so like that gets less juicy, the salsa. So what I recommend is to get some tomatoes that are really ripe, but not soft. These are really firm, so this is how you want them, because otherwise they will be melting in your salsa. It's very fun to do this. It's so yummy. You can use this salsa with tacos, with nachos, with anything. It's really good. And I'm making it a little chunky. I mean, you can make it a little, you know, fine if you desire. Okay. And the last one. Another way to do is like this. Okay, now we want to help with this nice spatula, I'll call it. It was a gift from my mother-in-law. Thank you. Now we want to continue with our green onions. I usually do the white part, just cut it in, just in half and just slice it. And I slice the whole thing with the green. I love this like that. But if you don't like green onions, you can use regular onion. You can use a half an onion for this amount of tomatoes, and it's perfect. You can use red onion. It's lovely in this salsa too. I like the green onion in here because I like to use the green part. Let's see if we can do this to make it faster. It's just so yummy. We'll be adjusting the ingredients because sometimes, you know, you can put a little bit more onion or cilantro, and it's, you know, it depends how you like. We can do all the adjustments that we need to be done. Okay. The last one. Oops. And as I said, I mean, you can do a little fine if you wanted to. I kind of like it chunky. Okay. I would say that it's around like maybe 3/4 cup, something like that. But, you know, you can use more or you can use less. It just smells so good. Okay. Now we want to continue with our cilantro. Usually I cut the thicker stem, so I just cut this much and remove it, and then the rest. It smells so good. Cilantro is so good. Okay. Let's do this. It's really easy to move things with this spatula. Well, I don't know if it's called a spatula. I call it a spatula. Now we want to go with our serrano. You can, if you don't want it so spicy, you can remove the seeds and the veins, and that will make it less spicy. I will leave it with everything. And it smells like it's really hot. We'll see. You just chop it. Oh my gosh. Yeah, it smells like it's really spicy. Okay. This is our... There we go. Here we have our salsa. Well, now what we want to do is we want to mix all the ingredients together. Oh my goodness, look at that. It's so fresh. So good. And it's going to be really spicy. I can smell it, the tomato. I mean, the pepper. Okay, the next thing that I want to do, I'll get some of the juice of this lime. And I just, by hand, I'm just going to give it a little big squeeze. Just half lemon. I mean lime. And we will mix it. And now what we want to do is we want to add salt and pepper. And we want to try it out, you know, it's just to taste. Now we want to mix it again. It looks so good. So I will need to taste it to see if, hopefully I don't get a like spicy. That is spicy, so but it's really good. It's perfect. The season is perfect. So there we go. Well, as I said earlier, that you can eat your salsa with tacos, with nachos, and with tortilla chips. Today we want to use it with tortilla chips. And we are gonna pour some of our salsa to present it. Smells so good. Thank you for watching my video. If you enjoy it, give us a thumbs up. It really makes a difference. And if you want to watch more videos like this, we invite you to subscribe if you are not subscribed yet. We'll see you next time. Adios. Bye.